Hello guys, in today's video I want to share a way to keep your Facebook account private. But before going to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. First, open the Facebook application on your cell phone and then enter the settings menu through the following steps. Click the three lines in the top right corner and click the settings icon next to it. After this you can follow what I did on my screen to start privacy in Facebook account. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe.